So the time. Come on. It's almost 12. I haven't done much all morning because it's my day off and I've been waking up early the last couple of days. But I think it's time to be productive. But first, you gotta start your day off right. So one thing I've been holding off doing was change the oil in my car. So that's my video today, oil change. You see that? That is some bad oil. That's what happens when you change your oil for a while. But it's new now. Well, not yet. Soon. Now that I got the old oil filter out, time to get the new one. Gotta make sure you lube it up before you put it in. Just a tip. Done. Next time you tighten your oil filter, make sure it's tightened, but not too tight, because you want to be able to take it out next time. You may be asking, why did I put a trash bag inside of the oil pan? Reason why? Nothing to clean. Life hacking, baby. Now, time for the easy part. playing Xbox. But I should really go to sleep soon. I'll see you guys tomorrow.